Hello, so today we're gonna be sharing the easiest steps to make cake pops. Start off, the ingredients you would need are cake mix, water, vegetable oil, 3 eggs, milk chocolate, a mixer, icing, and your favorite baking dish. First, preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we will be mixing on a bowl 1 1/4 cups of water with half of a cup of vegetable oil, and then add the 3 eggs with the cake mix. For this step, you would need a mixer that would be set at medium speed, or you can also mix it with a hand mixer for around 2 minutes. After mixing everything, you will need to pour your mix into the baking dish and spread evenly around it. Then carefully place it in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. When the cake is fully cooked, you would then take it out of the oven and let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes. We're going to add the cake from the first part with the icing and mix it together until the consistency is good enough to keep the cake in a cake pop shape. A really good tip to follow is to use a spoon to give it a correct circular shape to form the cake pops faster. While we wait for the cake pops to cool down, we can start melting the chocolate in a bowl by using the microwave. After the cake pops have cooled down and the chocolate is ready, you would start by dipping each one into chocolate so it gets evenly around it. Then you would place each one in a different pan and you would let it sit back in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And that's all you would need. Now you're completely done and have something delicious to try whenever you're craving a snack.